Kedarnath temple is right behind me and I am making videos here. Few experiences that I would like to share. This was my first experience when I visited Kedarnath temple, and I've been hearing a lot of stories about this temple before also. But the thing that I've experienced out here is that I've seen people coming and walking through the trek and reaching the temple. I've seen people coming through helicopters, people coming through the small horses, ponies, all of that. No matter how you reach here, whatever the mode of you traveling or you reaching this place is, once you reach this place, not exactly the temple, but once you're actually coming towards the temple, that area of the temple is so magical. The energies, the positive energies actually attract you towards yourself even before you reach the temple. Okay, reaching to the temple is absolutely another magical experience, because once you see the temple, once you reach, you actually feel that there is a very high degree positive power which is residing here. Okay, and what happened with me was that I actually came here for my own sadhanas and all my pujas and everything, and since we're into sattvic tantras, our pujas are a little different. But I have experienced this, that even if you do not get enough space, even if for that matter, like the kivars were closed last year and all this time for the Char Dham, even if you sit outside the temple when the doors are closed of the temple, even then you can feel that energy, you can feel the power outside also, and you can pray sitting outside the temple as well. Okay, this is a very big thing that I'm sharing with you people, because people sometimes get very disappointed that the doors of the temples are closed. So that's what I'm telling you, that even if the doors of the temple are closed, if you have a clean heart and if you have the devotion towards Lord Shiva, and of course people who are coming here, most of the people have a great devotion towards Lord Shiva, that's why they're coming, and I'm seeing the kind of love and devotion they have. Okay, so sitting outside, even in the night time for that matter, when the temple closes, even in the night time, if you do your japas out here, okay, outside the temple, light a diya, do a little dhupatti, that's also more than enough. Okay, and in fact you will feel the peace, you will feel the silence of this area in the night time to the maximum. Trust me, whatever you're seeing right now around the temple, the people are just getting their pujas done, they are actually shouting Lord Shiva's name, all that is great, but once you sit in this place in silence when it gets dark, especially after 11:30 in the night or 12 o'clock in the night, okay, trust me, you will absolutely feel a different vibration, a different energy level out here. Okay, and simple recitation of your Shivaya Nama Om or Om Namah Shivaya, whatever japs that your gurus have given you, or Mahamrityunjaya japs, everything, anything regarding Lord Shiva. Even you can offer the jal, the water in the kalash to Lord Shiva just outside the temple, even if the doors are closed. See, this is the video that I'm trying to tell you, that do not get disheartened that if you are not able to get the darshan of the Kedar Shila which is there inside, as it's not allowed right now. But whatever you have, you can actually do all the kriyas, all the pujas, all the processes right outside the temple, and it will be accepted. Trust me, it will be accepted. Okay, so this is exactly what I wanted to talk about Kedarnath, because nobody talks about this, that that when the doors are closed, even then you will feel the power, and nobody talks about when you're actually reaching towards the Kedarnath temple, even then you will feel the power towards the temple. Okay, this is a very important point, because I have come across people who sometimes say that we don't have money for the Rudra Abhishek which happens here, we don't have money for the Rudra Path which happens here. Okay, there is no problem. Even if you do not have money, you have the devotion with you, you have the willpower with you, you have the trust towards Lord Shiva in you. Okay, and if you do things that I've told you yourself, like you just do the water arpan, which is called the Abhishek, right outside. You can see that maybe out there. I don't know whether the camera is able to focus it right now. And you can just do the Kalash Abhishek right from outside, just remembering Lord Shiva's Shila which is right inside the temple, it will be accepted. Okay, provided it's a clean heart and if you have a clean soul and the correct devotion. Okay, it's a very powerful place, and I think every Hindu should come here at least once in their lifetime and go through this experience because this is just amazing. And of course, the benefits of Kedarnath, visiting Kedarnath, is given in our Vedas. I don't need to talk about that. Okay, so that's about it. I want to end this video because this was my focus point regarding this video. So I'll see you very soon. Till then, goodbye.